So for today's guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa nito guys. So, yan guys yung to guys. Yan guys, so paano gumawa nito guys. So pumunta lang tayo dito guys.
Hey bro, give me that.
Sa Gemini guys. Tas lang guys, add kayo yung plus guys. So guys, tas add kayo ng gallery guys or picture guys, kahit ano guys. Ito guys, so ito guys yung picture guys. Try natin guys, try natin to picture guys. Maghanap tayo guys. Wait sa nandito guys. Then at meron akong ipipaste dito guys na kuanis ng text ba guys. Ito yan guys, oh. Yan guys, tas select all natin yan exception ni guys. Okay lang, basta bura lang natin yan guys. Paste natin yan guys, tas copy guys. At pupunta tayo guys, babalik tayo sa Gemini guys. Ito guys, ilalagay natin dito yung yan guys, yung nag-copy natin guys. Pwede kayo mag edit dito guys, oh. Dito guys, na guys, ha. What's up guys, pwede nito yung burahin guys. At kung ano yung gusto niyong color guys, pwede niyong burahin yun guys. Pwede niyong pagkanya guys, sana yan guys. Pero yung akin guys, ito yung akin guys. At pwede din yung palitan guys, yung dito guys, oh. Wait sa guys, dito yung pangalan nyo guys. Lagay mo dyan guys yung pangalan mo guys. Dito guys, dyan lagay mo yung pangalan mo dyan guys. Wait sa, at ilisan nyo palitan na din dito guys. Kung kahit ano guys, pwede kayo guys. Mobile guys, pwede yung palitan ng mobile. Yung basta yung pwede yung palitan guys kung ano bang content mo. Pero yung akin vlogging. At dito guys, pwede nito palitan guys kung anong kulay yung kanina guys, yung pinapalitan kong kulay guys. Pwede nyo, diba guys, pink yung kanina akin, pero ito yung example pa guys. Pero ngayon guys, blue. At dito guys, palitan nyo din ito guys, ha. Yan binura ko guys, pero yung akin blue yapon guys. At wait sa mura to guys. So pakunan natin ni Gemini guys. Putol yung boses ko kasi di man ko kaluwas sa iba guys. Mag-listen nun guys, kay first time pa guys nag-tutorial. So nag-creating image na si Gemini guys. Ito yan guys, oh. Wait nyo lang yan guys, may kulaga dyan guys. Ang lag dito lang kasi ayan ito guys, ha. Ang ganda guys na, hindi lang kan ganda lagi guys. Yan guys, kahit anong kulay guys, yung pinapalitan ko yung kulay kasi yung aking blue guys. So pwede nyo itong i-profile picture na guys. So maura to guys. Bye bye, please like and share and follow. Paalam.